All right, if you've ever used Excel, you know the pain of a VLOOKUP formula that just, well, breaks. So today, we're going to ditch that brittle old function for its much, much better successor, XLOOKUP. And then we're going to give XLOOKUP a genuine superpower, something called regular expressions.
So here's how we're going to break this down. First, we'll take a quick trip down memory lane and talk about the frustrations of VLOOKUP. Then, we'll see exactly how XLOOKUP comes to the rescue. After that, we'll introduce this superpower, Regex, put it to the test with some real-world examples, and finally, wrap up with why this is such a game changer.
Okay, let's start with the familiar. For years, VLOOKUP was the go-to tool for finding things in Excel. But let's be honest, that familiarity came with a whole lot of headaches and some pretty serious hidden dangers.
Doesn't this sound familiar? You build a beautiful spreadsheet, all the VLOOKUPs are working perfectly, you send it off to your team, and an hour later you get that dreaded email. Hey, everything's broken. So what is really going on here?
The biggest problem is something called formula brittleness. See, VLOOKUP depends on a hard-coded column number. So on the left, we're telling it to look in columns A to C and give us back whatever is in column number 3. And hey, it works. But if a colleague comes along and just inserts one new column, like you see on the right, the formula doesn't know what happened. It's still dumbly looking for column number 3, which is now the wrong data. And that right there is how silent, dangerous errors creep into your spreadsheets. So, what's the fix?
Well, thankfully, we now have a modern solution that was literally designed to fix VLOOKUP's biggest problems, and its name is XLOOKUP. First up, the big one. VLOOKUP has this infamous limitation. It can only search in the very first column of a range and look to the right. That's it. XLOOKUP doesn't care. You tell it which column to look in and which column to return data from separately. It can look right, left, it doesn't matter. No more rearranging your entire dataset just to make a formula happy. And it gets better. XLOOKUP is just safer for two big reasons. First, VLOOKUP's default setting is an approximate match, which is a hidden trap that can give you the wrong data without any warning. XLOOKUP, on the other hand, defaults to an exact match, which is what you want 99% of the time. Second, to handle errors with VLOOKUP, you have to wrap it in another function, like if error. With XLOOKUP, there's a built-in spot for a custom error message, like not found. It's cleaner and way easier. Think about this. VLOOKUP always starts at the top of your list and stops at the very first match it finds. But what if you need the last one, like the most recent price for a product? With VLOOKUP, that's a nightmare. With XLOOKUP, you just flip one little switch in the formula, the search mode argument, and tell it to search from the bottom up instead. Simple. Look at this. The scoreboard says it all, right? Looking left, safer defaults, built-in error handling, searching in reverse, surviving column inserts, XLOOKUP is the clear winner across the board. The only place VLOOKUP has an edge is that it's in older versions of Excel. For anyone on a modern version, it's really no contest. Okay, so XLOOKUP is awesome. We've established that. But what if you don't even know the exact text you're looking for? What if you just know the pattern it follows? This, my friends, is where XLOOKUP gets its superpower. This is where we introduce something called regular expressions, or as most people call it, Regex. Now, it sounds super complicated, but trust me, the basic idea is simple. It's just a way to describe patterns in text. So instead of searching for the word apple, you could search for any 5-letter word that starts with an A. And you know what the best part is? You don't have to learn some crazy new function. Microsoft built this power right into the XLOOKUP you now know and love. You just need to change one little argument. And the magic number is 3. All you do is set the optional match mode argument to 3. That single number tells XLOOKUP and its cousin, XMATCH, to stop looking for literal text and start treating your search as a powerful regex pattern. All right, enough theory. Let's see what the thing can actually do. We're going to look at how this one simple change can solve data problems that used to be incredibly hard, or sometimes flat out impossible, in Excel. Okay, example 1. We've all seen this, right? Messy data, where one column has both NY and New York. How do you search for both at once? Well, with regex, you use the pipe character. That little vertical bar just means or. So this formula is telling Excel to find a cell that contains NY or New York. It's a super clean way to handle inconsistent data. Now, let's talk about precision. Say you want to find chocolate, but your search also keeps picking up chocolatey. With regex, you can wrap your word with /B. That little code marks a word boundary. It's like telling Excel, hey, I want the word chocolate and only that word, not words that just happen to contain it. It's perfect for avoiding false positives. And here's another one that drives everyone crazy: capitalization. Is it coffee with a lowercase c or an uppercase C, or maybe all caps? Who knows? Well, you just pop this little ICAI flag at the beginning of your search term. That tells the Regex engine to completely ignore case. It will find coffee no matter how it's typed. So much easier. So let's just take a step back for a second. We've gone from the fragile world of VLOOKUP all the way to the flexible, pattern-matching power of XLOOKUP with Regex. Let's wrap up with why this is such a big deal. So what's the big takeaway here? First, please, if you can, stop using VLOOKUP. XLOOKUP is the modern, safer, and way more powerful standard. But the real game changer is unlocking Regex inside of it. It transforms XLOOKUP from just a function that finds values into an advanced tool that can find patterns. It's a completely new way to tackle messy, real-world data right inside of Excel. Look, at the end of the day, this isn't just about learning a few new formulas. It's about getting a bigger, better problem-solving toolkit. It's about finding answers in data that used to be too messy or too inconsistent to even analyze. So I'll leave you with this question. What impossible problem are you going to solve now?